In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Proton VPN on your phone in 2026 and how to reduce battery drain while keeping your connection secure. So many users notice that VPN apps can consume more battery because they continuously encrypt your internet traffic and maintain a secure connection in the background. However, with the right settings, you can improve battery performance without turning off your protection. So after you download the Proton VPN from the Google Play Store or from the official Proton VPN website, and once you're logged in, you can now connect to a VPN server. Now, check your connection if it's active. Next, open the Proton VPN settings and review your connection options. Enable the kill switch feature if you want protection against accidental VPN disconnects, but remember that keeping more security features active may slightly increase resource usage. So to reduce the battery consumption, choose the VPN server that is closer to your actual location. A nearby server usually requires less processing power and can improve better speeds compared to connecting to a distant location. You can also use the Quick Connect features to automatically select an optimized server instead of manually choosing servers that may be slower or less efficient. Another important step is managing your background activity. So on the Android, go to your app settings, find the Proton VPN in the app section, look for the Proton VPN, and check the battery optimization options. On iPhone, if you're using an iOS, review the background app, refresh settings to control unnecessary background activity. So avoid constantly switching servers as reconnecting frequently can use additional battery power. So instead, choose a reliable server and keep the connection active when you need protection. And finally, keep the Proton VPN app updated because newer versions often include performance improvements and bug fixes. And that's how you use Proton VPN phone in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.